By far, if you want to get triple the enrollments, triple the sales, triple the duplication in half the time, the most important element for you to do that is training. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I would teach a brand new distributor this process that I refer to as pipeline in acquiring a new customer. Pipeline, how customers are acquired. There are some distinct steps in here. Number one, got to create a lead. Number two, you move that lead into a contact. Number three, you make an appointment to do a presentation of some sort. Then you follow up, and then they're turned into a customer. There is no way to exempt that process. It has to be followed. Let's talk about each of these elements. A lead. What is a lead? How do you get a lead? Well, if you're on social media, like you're watching this on YouTube, or perhaps you linked from here to one of my social media channels, a lead is nothing more than perhaps a follower. Somebody who has chosen to follow you on a social media channel. Moving that lead into a contact would mean that you have captured an email address, you have had some interaction with them, you follow them back on social media, you have made some comments in a positive manner on their feeds, you have elevated them. That moves that lead into a contact. A contact also is that you know that they fit your target market of somebody that you're after, someone who you feel that you can help serve. The next part of that process is moving that contact to do a real live appointment, a Zoom call, a telephone call, some sort of action that moves them to be somewhere where you can then present a message. That appointment could be an in-home meeting if that's what you're doing. But there has to be that process to move that contact to get that appointment. Once you get that appointment, generally, it's to do a presentation. This is where you can automate the presentation process. You can do it live. You can do it belly to belly at a coffee shop, in a home, anywhere where you can present your message. I've even, in the old days, would have a video on my phone and sitting down in Starbucks or something, and I would just show them that video. So that's what that process is, do a presentation. And then from there all the way to them becoming a customer takes follow-up. Just understand these percentages for a minute after you do a presentation. You have the top 2%, someone who will immediately, from your presentation, almost without you having to ask, sign up to be a customer. Those are the greatest kind. They don't take any work. We all love them. And then you have the next 2% where they're really interested. You know they're going to enroll with you, and it may take a day or two for them to do that. Those are easy also, but it's in the 96% that most network marketers quit following up. I have seen follow-up take place over 40 and 50 months to get a person to finally accept the offer or invitation, or you're closing them to become a customer. And then obviously when they become a customer is when the financial reward hits. Let's talk about a few things that starts this process that I cannot overemphasize, especially if you want to get 3 times the duplication in your team. We all want that in half the time. You've heard me preach time and time again about narrowing your niche, narrowing your target market. This is knowing who you're looking for and why. Most network marketing professionals, they get in this field of network marketing, probably never done real sales before in their life, hate the word selling, and they don't know who they're looking for. They believe, because this is what their upline or even their company has told them, is that everyone is your customer. And when that happens, so many negative things happen. Number one, no one sees who you are. You're just like everybody else, relying on scripts and all of these fake, inauthentic ways to talk to people. But when you target that niche, when you become a problem solver, when you understand that niche's problem and what they're trying to solve better than they do, they're looking for you. They'll find you, just like you have found this channel on YouTube or on LinkedIn or one of my Instagram channels, and you're watching this. You found me. I didn't have to use a script. I didn't have to use a cold call. And what I'm doing right now is training, which I said before is the number one thing. So know who you're looking for. Right in the beginning, make that person your lead. I can't overemphasize this second bullet point. Only people who want it like you do. This is why I have focused on other network marketing professionals. They've already been through this process. I know the challenges that they face. I want someone like that who is ambitious and energetic and wants to make their mark on the world by serving other people. Those kind of people have to want it. When you get a lead like that, it flows this process so much better. And number two, quantity is the key. So you're not hungry and pushy and trying to convince. That was me in the beginning. I didn't have a target market. My company, when I asked them who is the logical purchaser of our products, and my upline said, do you know anybody that eats? He basically told me everybody is your customer. And so I was always trying to convince people, oh, this is the best. It did this. You need this. You need that. And I appeared hungry. I have seen that time and time again because I get pitched on social media all the time by these kind of people who are hungry, where they'll first message, I don't even know who they are. Their first message is like 5 paragraphs pitching me. Do you think they are hungry? Do you respond to those kind of people? Neither do I. But quantity is the key. This is why on social media, when you are producing content that can solve their problem, that's quantity. Quantity and consistency of your message. When someone now reaches out to me, which is a lot, I get a lot of inbox messages daily now, and my calendar is not quite full, but it's getting there. I can't overemphasize that this is the pipeline to your success. I hope this helped. Down below, subscribe to this channel. It really helps when other people are here. And do your best to do training. Do your best to help your people so that you can triple your enrollments, triple your sales, triple your duplications in 1/2 the fine using attraction marketing. Take care and have a great day.